The SHPAVVER 7D head shaver boasts an innovative magnetic design that allows for easy removal and cleaning of the shaving head, ensuring optimal performance after every use. Featuring a 7-directional floating head, this shaver adapts seamlessly to the contours of the head, face, and neck, providing a smooth and comfortable shaving experience. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, the SHPAVVER head shaver offers versatility for both wet and dry shaves, making it perfect for use in the shower with shaving foam or gel. Ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in the palm, this shaver allows for easy handling and access to all areas, reducing fatigue during longer shaving sessions. The SHPAVVER 7D head shaver is perfect for men who prefer a close head shave without the hassle of traditional razors, offering a pinch-free and cut-free experience. SHPAVVER provides excellent customer support, ensuring users can reach out with any issues to improve their shaving experience and satisfaction.